In this section, we're going to walk through the update process that we described at the end of the last section. So here's what we need to do. We're going to first tag our image with a distinct version number, and then we're going to push that new version up to Docker Hub. After that, we're going to run a rather long kubectl command that's going to forcibly update our deployment and tell it to use this new version of the image that we have pushed off to Docker Hub. So let's get to it. Step number 1 is going to be to tag our image. So to get started, I'm going to open up my terminal, and I'm going to create a second terminal window and then change on over to that complex client directory. So I'll go into complex and I'll change into the client folder. So here's my client project. We have already built an image out of this folder, and we have not made any changes to our project since then. So we could technically do a Docker tag here and tag the existing image that we already built, but instead, just to show you the entire flow, I'm going to build the entire image from scratch again. So I'll run docker build, and I'll tag this thing with my Docker ID /multi-client, and I'll make sure I get a colon on there, and then we have to put some unique token on the other side of the colon. And so for me, as a version number, I'll just do like, I don't know, version 5 or something, anything you want to do. And then after that, I'll put down a period to specify the build context. Okay, so I'll run that command. The image is rebuilt, and it's now tagged with your Docker ID /multi-client :v5. So now we need to make sure that we push this updated image over to Docker Hub. So I'll copy the entire tag right there, and I'll do a docker push and copy the tag in. All right, so just like that, we now have a new tagged image over on Docker Hub. So now we need to run a kubectl command that's going to force our deployment to use that new image version. Back inside my terminal, I'm going to delete the second terminal window that I opened, and so I'm left just with the original window that is based on the simple k8s directory. So inside of here, we're going to run a rather long command. I've got a quick diagram to tell you a little bit about what we're going to be writing out. All right, so here it is. Yes, it's rather long. So we're going to use kubectl, and we're going to use the set command. We use this